I got together last Saturday and ripped up a park here with some of our 3 and 2-inch quadcopters here, and wanted to use it as a chance to do some experimentation with turning DJI into Superview style video. So here you can see what happens when you just straight up crop it to 16 by 9. You lose a ton of the information on the top and the bottom of the screen. And I've done it a couple different times in videos before and then moved it up and down if something was interesting happening on the top or the bottom. So here you can see Superview and how much extra stuff on the top and the bottom you get back. So this is doing Superview with GoPro Studio. You have to go and find an old version online. If you just Google GoPro Studio 2, you'll be able to find a download that works. And here you can see you can put any video into it and it will stretch it out. AndyRC has a video on how to do it. I'll link down below. But then a lot of people are also using a open source program called Shotcut and using the elastic stretch. So here's that compared. You can see that they do a really similar thing, just in slightly different ways with the elastic stretching. So this is in Shotcut now. I'm going to kind of try to decide which way I like to do it better. The GoPro seems kind of easier, just click, 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 and it does it, but there's an intermediate file that it has to make that is huge. So that's kind of a drawback. And then Shotcut is, you could use it as a full-on video editor. It's not very polished. And you can see John whipping around behind me. So the real line here is you're supposed to go around both of these trees, and so then I would cut it in the middle and then get ahead of him, and then he would cut it in the middle and get ahead of me. So it's just kind of fun. So beautiful day to be out ripping. It was a little bit hot if you're out in the sun, but in the shade there was a little bit of breeze. I can't tell if he cut the track or if he was going around a couple times. But here I go long, and you can see him go short. There he goes. And now here I'm transitioning to, I turned on Vibrant mode. I just cranked up the vibrance inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. It's the video editor that I use. Just because the DJI video just looked a little bit dull. Here, so the greens look a little bit greener, the blues look a little bit bluer. So yeah, I don't know, I can't tell if it looks a little bit too fake or if it looks good. I've never done much color correction on my quadcopter videos before, but I just was playing around with it. Just quick. I almost ran into him, so I went high. Yeah, it was a great day of flying. Gotta take advantage of the summer here in Minnesota, because before you know it, the snow will be flying again. So I also just recently picked up a Vista unit which does not have onboard recording, so I wanted to go and add Superview and that vibrancy that I thought looked good to the Goggle recordings from this as well, just to see if in the future what kind of video I can expect out of the goggles, because I won't have recording on the Vista itself. So here's that flight with a little bit of backing music. Enjoy.